guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? So like the title already says, this is a DIY video on how to put your strip eyelashes on. All right, so I know if you're watching this video, it's probably because you love to see my face, or you don't know how to put your strip eyelashes on. You're probably tired of going to the Chinese lady every week or two, paying her $35 just to get your lashes done. That's crazy. Or you're tired of being at the disposal of your cousin, your sister, just to get your lashes done. Like, that is so insane. I mean, that is crazy, because putting your eyelashes on is so easy, and I'm gonna show you guys the easiest steps to get your eyelashes done. But before we get into that, let me show you how the materials that you need to get your lashes done. So this is the set of eyelashes that I got from AliExpress like what, a month or two ago. And this is the glue that you need. You don't necessarily need to use this glue, but this glue is by Natty. You could also use the Natty. You could also use, sometimes I use 30-second glue. You could also use whatever eyelash glue that works for you. This is like a typical hair glue, okay? But I'm not allergic to it. But you gotta make sure you're safe using this product. You don't necessarily need to use this one. You could use any other product, any other eyelash glue. And also you need your mascara. All right, this is by I don't even see the name on here, but I got this a long time ago. And definitely you need a pair of scissors. All right, and this is not funny, but I use my toothpick. You don't necessarily need to use a toothpick. You could use the tip of a metal comb. You could use a pencil. You could use whatever sharp, I don't know, whatever object that you need, that you have. Okay, so without no further ado, let's get right into it. I'm gonna take this one right here, like that. This right here, this is like a perfect size for my eyes and for my eye, and I don't need to measure, because it's size, like it's just the perfect size for my eye. That's it. But most of the time the eyelash tends to be longer than your eye, or shorter, but this one is a perfect size for me. But if it's like, if you measure, you gotta measure like this, like that. And if you feel like it's too long, this is when you need to get the scissors. You're gonna have to cut it from the back and not from the front, okay? You're gonna cut the strip, the part that is like the longer length for you. All right, so now that I got the eyelash like this, I'm gonna take the glue. I like to be in control of the amount of glue that I put on the lash. That's why I like to use a toothpick, so I don't let the so not to put too much. I'm just gonna take the glue like this and dip it into the glue, in the toothpick, and dip it into the glue. Okay, like that. So now I'm gonna take the eyelash and the glue like this, and just put it on the roots of the lash, on the roots of the lash. All right, and hold on. You don't necessarily need to blow it. You just gotta shake it like this, like just shake it like this. And you see now guys, this is the point you need to focus. Now take the lash and put it right on your eyelashes. Just place it on your eyelashes. All right, you see how I place it? And then I'm just gonna bend it and move it all the way to the roots of my lashes, and then go all the way. I start from the bottom, from the back I mean, and make all my way to the top, to the beginning of my eyelashes. And now that I got it well placed, I'm just gonna use my fingers. I don't need no tweezers. I don't use no tweezers, just to be cautious. All right, I'm just gonna take my fingers and press it all the way down. And press all the way down like that. And that's how you do it, like this. And now I'm gonna do this, do the same step to the other side of my eye. My eyelash, just gonna take it out like this. You see that? And carefully take it out the pack. Okay, now that's out the pack. I'm gonna take the toothpick and dip it into the glue like this, and put the right amount, not too much glue, okay? Now that's done, I'm then gonna put the eyelash on my eyelashes like that. You place it, you sure it's placed, and then you're just gonna move it all the way. You start from the back and then you make your way down to the front. It's easy. You see how I'm doing it so easy like that? Everybody got different techniques, okay? And that's how you do it. So now that my eyelashes are already placed on my eye, the eyelashes are placed on my eyes. So now I'm gonna take my, and you gotta make sure the glue is dry. Alright, so now that the glue is dry and the eyelashes are already placed, I'm gonna take my mascara and blend it with my natural lashes like that. Like that. And guys, too, make sure you have your set. If you're getting your makeup done, make sure you apply your setting spray before you put the eyelashes on, okay? Or if you don't want to do that, you could put on the eyelashes. Make sure the glue is dry, the mascara is dry, everything is dry before you put a setting spray, because you don't want no smudge, you don't want no crease, you don't want to make a mistake, and you don't want to like make a mess. And that is how you apply it. Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. And you could also do the same to your bottom lashes. Voila. And that is how you do it. Easy, simple, and fast. So now I just hope you guys learned a thing or two about putting your eyelashes on. And if your sister, your cousin, your brother, whoever that needs to learn how to get the eyelashes done by themselves, you could definitely send this video to them, and I hope they able to achieve this easy application of putting the eyelashes on. That's it. Do you guys like my makeup? This is a perfect spring makeup. I like the eyeshadow. It's popping just the way I expect it to be, and my makeup is not too dramatic, it's not too much, it's just perfect. So guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to follow my socials, Instagram __ITSAANU. And if you like my makeup, and you could definitely follow me on my makeup page on Instagram, makeup by It's Anu, makeup by ITSAANU, and my Snapchat is AANULEV. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you continue to watch my video, and I hope you continue to grow with me, because I have so many fun content to share with you guys. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to say yes when you need to say yes. Don't forget to say no when you need to say no, and I will definitely see y'all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.